Hello children, this is Anita Misra from Middle Wing GGPS. This video is for general knowledge of chapter 4 to 7. Already in the previous video, I have explained you about chapter 1, 2 and 3. And in this video, I will explain chapter 4, flightless birds, chapter 5, official residences, chapter 6, build your vocabulary, chapter 7, don't be an angry bird. Now children, I will discuss these chapter one by one. Chapter 4, flightless birds. So, as you know, birds can fly. But children, some of them cannot. So, here identify the flightless birds with the help of clues given here. First is dash is from South America. It has 3 toes on each foot. It either walks or run. It uses the wings to show off and balance itself. Now, your answer is Rhea. Now, next is dash is the biggest living birds, growing up to a height of 2.75 meter and weight about 150 kg. And your answer is ostrich. Number 3, dash comes second after ostrich. It gives up to 1.7 meter and weight around 45 kg. It is a good swimmer, means it can swim. Now answer is emu. Question number 4, dash of New Zealand is the smallest of all flightless birds. It is a big as hen. Now your answer is kiwi. Move to the next question. Question number 5. Dash is large flightless nocturnal parrot bird. It is a yellow-green in color and has a pale owl-like face. Your now answer is kakapo. Next question. Dash has a crest that it uses like a crash helmet while charging through the undergrowth. Your answer is cassowary. And your last question, dash is among the few large creatures that can survive in the bitter Antarctic winter. It breeds on a ice cap. And this answer is emperor penguin. So children, this is about your chapter 4. Now children, move to the next chapter 5. Official residences. Official residences are the residences where a country president, prime minister, head of the state, or chancellor, etc. resides. So, here are some of the official residences around the world. So, let us identify and write the names using the clue box. Now, first is USA, and this official residences is known as White House. Number 2, Germany. So, answer is Bellevue Palace. Third is France. Answer is Elysee Palace. Fourth is South Korea, and your answer is Blue House. 5 is India, and the answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. And the last question is China, and your answer is June Gai. So this is your chapter 5. Now move to the next chapter of Build Your Vocabulary, which is chapter 6. You have to just find the words whose meanings are be there, like a plastic or glass box filled with water used for keeping fish. So that is known as aquarium. Number 2, something written by a famous person as their signature, which is known as autograph. Now, third is a sound that cannot be heard, which is known as inaudible, which we cannot hear. Number 4, a farm building for keeping animals and crops, which is known as barn. Number 5, the land refers to the sea, which is known as coast. Number 6, a small piece of something such as bread or cake. Your answer is crumb. Number 7, sweet food that you eat at the end of meal, which is known as dessert. And number 8, a staircase that moves, which is known as escalator. So children, this is about your chapter 6. Now move to the chapter 7, which is don't be an angry bird. Means we should not be in anger. So anger is what? It is a normal human emotion. But when it gets out of control and turns destructive, it can lead to many problems. Because in anger, human beings are not in control. So it turns to many problems. Now, it is there what we should do when we are angry. So what we do? We will just count from 1 to 20 before speaking, because we should not speak harsh to others. So talking to someone you trust, like your parents, friend, teacher, will help. So when you are angry, who will help us? Parents, friends, or teacher, because we trust them. So on that time, what we do? We find some different ways to release the anger by taking up hobbies, like creating means what we do. Creating, we can create, we can do some painting, we can read. So these will help us. Now, based on this chapter, we have to answer the following question. Question number 1. How do you behave when you are angry? So, when we are angry, we could not control ourselves. That is a human nature. And question number 2. What are the things you say when you are angry? Now, when we are angry, it gets out of control and turns destructive. We say many wrong things. Question number 3. What helps you to calm down when you are angry? Talking to someone whom we trust. So these are the things which are help us when we are angry. What we do? Talking to someone whom we trust, like parents, teacher and friends. Next, what we can do? Talking, or just we can do some of the hobbies like painting, drawing, etc. So this is all about chapter 7. Now in this video I have discussed about 4 to 7. Hope you children understand. Thank you children. Thank you for watching.